Remove the cover. Turn holder anti-clockwise to open, clockwise to close. Carefully pull it out. To remove the bulb, and with a little pressure, rotate anti-clockwise. Align the notches of the bulb with the holder and pull it out. To insert, carefully align the notches of the bulb with the grooves of the holder. With a little pressure, press it down to the base and turn it clockwise to lock the bulb in the holder. Let's try it first. Carefully align it, rotate clockwise to lock it. Fix your cover in place.